our motto determine Ix. Okay, our motto determine Ix. How can determine Ix? You can consider this one is a ductum node and this one is Vs, this is equal to 12 at the angle 0 volt. If Vxt, this is equal to 12 cos 2t, and we have considered that is RMS value, then Vs is like this one. Okay, now if we consider ground voltage, okay, that is V1, we have considered V1, this one is a V2. If this one is V1, then this point is also V1 and this point is also V2. Loop current I1, sorry, branch, let us consider branch current I1. Okay, dot polarity corresponding, that is, suppose that is I2, here IZ, here IY. KVL at node, and this one, first of all circuit converted into phasor, so that is 12 at the angle 0 and Xc is 1 by omega c, so omega is 2 into 1 by 12, that is 10, and that's, this point is clear. First of all, this circuit is converted into phasor. Okay, after that solve. Now KVL at this, first of all, what the relation between V2 V1, V2 by V1, this is equal to 3 by 1 minus V2, this is equal to minus 3t V1. Equation number 1. Why minus? Because polarity is different, I have already discussed. And what about current? Relation between I1 like this one, I2, I1 going on down, both are entering, so I1 by I2, this is equal to N2 by N1 is negative, N2 3 by 1, so I2 this is equal to minus I1 by 3, equation number 2. Okay, now apply KVL at node 1 and apply KVL at node 2. 12 minus V1, 12 minus V1 divided by 2, first of written, Iy this is equal to I1 plus Ix, this is equal to I1. What about Ix? V1 minus V2 divided by minus J10. Okay, so I1 this is equal to 12 minus V1 divided by 2, and this will be V1 minus V2 divided by plus J10, that is equation number 3. That is equation number 3. Now from KVL, apply KCL at node 2. Okay, incoming current I2 this is equal to outgoing current I2 plus Ix, I2 plus Ix this is equal to Iz. Okay, so I2 this is equal to Iz minus Ix. Okay, Iz this is equal to V2 minus 0 divided by 6, and minus what about Ix? Ix is V1 minus V2 divided by minus J10. Okay, so again it is written as V2 by 6 plus V1 minus V2 divided by J plus J10, that is I2. Okay, equation number 4. Equation number 4 from 1 and 4, 3 and 4, if this value putting in this equation. Okay, I know that. What is the relation between I2 and I3? I1 and I1 this equal 3 times of I2. So I1 this equal to 12 minus V1 divided by 2 plus V1 minus V2 divided by J10, this is equal to minus 3 times, what about I2? So V2 by 6 plus V1 minus V2 divided by J10. Okay, so everything is clear. Now if this one is right hand side, V1 by 2 plus V1 minus V2 divided by J10 plus 3 into V2 by 6, so V2 divided by 2, v2 divided by 2 plus, not plus, minus 3 v1 minus v2 divided by j10, this will be equal to 0. Okay, this, if v2 is v2 this will equal to minus 3 v1, if this value put here, then we got 12 minus v1 divided by 2 plus v1 v2 this equal to minus 3, so that is plus 3 v1 divided by j10 plus v2 by 2, so minus 3 v1 by 2 minus 3 v1 minus 3 3 are 9 v1 divided by j10, this will be equal to 0. Clear? Now this one and this one, that is 12 minus 4 v1 divided by 2 plus this one and this one adding, that is 4 v1, and that is 4 minus 12, that is 9, minus 9 v1, sorry, 12 minus 4, that is 8 v1 divided by j10, this will be equal to 0. So if you apply, first of all resolve it, that is 12 minus, you are written as 6 minus 4 v1, this will be equal minus 4 v1 divided by 5 j, this will be equal to 0. Okay, so 6 minus 4 v1, if solve these two, and finally 4 is common, so 4 is common, j plus 1 4 is common. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 5 j into v1, so v1 is written as 6 into 5 j, okay, divided by 4 into 1 plus 5j. First of all, again take LCM, 5j plus 1, clear, so divided by like this one, and 5 into 6, clear, and this one is also written as 3 and 2, okay, and that is 2.5, okay, upper, that is 7.5 divided by 1.1 plus 5j, if it is written as 5.099 at the angle 78, that is 78.69, v1 this will be equal to like this, and finally 7.5 divided by 5.099, that is 1.47, so v1 this will be equal to 1.47 at the angle minus 78.69, okay, v1 this will be equal to like this one. And I know that, what about Ix? Ix is v1 minus v2 divided by minus j10, and v2 is 3, so 4 minus j10 into v1, so 0.4 by j, and what about v1, that is 1.47 at the angle minus 4.78.69, okay. Now how can resolve it? First of all, you know that j is minus 1 is the j square, so that is it written as j, okay. So 90, that is 0.48 into 1.47, okay, like this one, at the angle 90 and 90 degree into 1 at the angle minus 78.69. if this one is converted again, then we got 0.588 at the angle 11.31, that is Ix. Okay, so in the terms of Ixt is written as 0.588 cos 2t plus 11.31 ampere. This is the final answer. Make it.